Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to place a pending order on MetaTrader 5. If you've been in the fascinating world of trading for any length of time, you know that timing is everything. Rather than constantly watching the markets, pending orders can assist you in automating your trades, ensuring you don't miss out on potential opportunities. This is especially useful when you already have a trading plan in mind, but you don't want to sit in front of the screen waiting for price to reach your ideal entry point. To start, you want to open your MetaTrader 5 platform and bring up the trading chart for the currency pair you're interested in. For example, this could be a pair like Euro-US dollar, GBP-US dollar, or any other instrument available through your broker. Now, with the chart open, right-click on it. This action brings up a small context menu with several options carefully crafted to meet various trading needs. Here, look for the Trading option. Clicking on Trading opens up a submenu with more choices. You'll notice options like Sell Limit or Buy Stop are available for you. These represent different types of pending orders you can place, and each one is designed for a different market scenario, depending on where the current price is and where you expect the market to move next. If you choose a sell limit, you're expecting that the market will rise to a certain level before dropping. In simple terms, you're planning to sell from a higher price because your analysis suggests that area may act as resistance. Alternatively, a buy stop is used when you anticipate that the market will rise above a specified level. This is commonly used when you expect a breakout, meaning price pushes above a key level and continues moving upward. This selection depends on your market analysis and the strategy you intend to deploy, so make sure your pending order matches the logic behind your setup. Once you've made your choice between sell limit or buy stop, you'll be directed to a new window specifically designed for setting up your pending order parameters. This is where things get interesting, because this is where you define the details of the trade before it ever gets triggered. Taking a few extra seconds here can help you avoid simple mistakes, like entering the wrong price level, using the wrong order type, or forgetting to manage your risk. You need to fill in the stop loss field. The stop loss is crucial because it helps safeguard your investment, ensuring you exit the trade if the market moves against your expectations beyond a certain point. Think of it as your protection level. It does not guarantee that every trade will be profitable, but it helps you control how much you're willing to risk if the setup doesn't work out. Carefully consider your risk tolerance and market volatility as you select this level. A tighter stop loss may reduce your risk, but it can also be triggered more easily, while a wider stop loss gives the trade more room, but may increase the amount you risk. Next, you want to enter the Take Profit level. This feature allows you to close your trade automatically once it reaches a certain favorable level, locking in your profits. Choosing an effective take profit level involves analyzing potential market highs. You might look at previous support and resistance zones, recent swing highs or lows, or areas where price has reacted strongly in the past. Striking the right balance here is essential, as you don't want to set it too high and miss out, or too low and limit your profit potential. A good take profit level should make sense based on your chart analysis, not just on how much money you hope to make. There's also an option to fill in an expiration date for your order. This means you're able to specify a particular date and time by which, if the order hasn't been activated, it will be automatically canceled. This is particularly useful for short-term strategies, or if a trading opportunity is expected within a certain time frame. For example, if your setup is based on today's market movement or a specific news event, you may not want the order sitting there for several days after the opportunity is passed. Lastly, with all your parameters set up and double-checked for accuracy, you'll click on Sell or Buy located at the bottom of the window. Before clicking, it's a good habit to quickly review the order type, entry price, stop loss, take profit, lot size, and expiration time. Doing so finalizes your pending order, and MetaTrader 5 will keep an eye on the market for you. Once the market reaches your selected price, the platform will automatically activate the order according to the conditions you set. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're on your way to making strategic pending orders that align with your trading goals.